Mr. Chair, I would like to air a warning to each of you in the Philippine National Police. The moment nakaamoy kami na merong involved sa drugs, ang ilang mga police officers namin, papatawag po namin dito. Papatawag po namin dito. Papatawarin namin, pero ipoprosecute namin. Nakatanggap kami ng lead data kay General Bakay on those drug lords na napatay. Nakalagay po doon, I do not know if you have these listings also currently, no? Meron drug lord, ayan, meron drug lord, merong financier, merong maintainer, merong operator, merong pusher, merong user. Meron po ba kayo, General Mata? Meron po ba kayo ng ganitong klaseng data? Na-validate po ba nyo ito?
I haven't
Meron
seen
ba
that,
kayo ganitong klaseng data?
What we have in our data, sir, is HBI list of drug personalities.
Ano po
High value individual and street level individual.
Hindi, ito, kompleto po ito eh. Paki-ano lang po sa amin, tanong mo ha? O, sinubmit po ito.
Yes,
General
sir.
Bakay sa
Yes,
amin.
sir. I will
Ito
look
po
into
yung
that.
mga napatay, died in police operations from July 1, 2016 to June 30, 2022. Ang drug lord, ang napatay 21. Ang financier, ang napatay 9. Ang maintainer, ang napatay 18. Ang operator, ang napatay 12. Ang pusher, ang napatay 7,173. Ang user, napatay din 440. A total of 7,640. Meron po ba kayong ganitong listahan? Hindi
Yes,
po
Your
yung
Honor.
died in police operations, pero na-revalidate nyo itong mga listahan na ito at active pa ho ito at nasa kulungan ba ito o nakasuhan po ito? Meron ba kayong ganyan listahan?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Pakisubmit nyo po sa amin na listahan kung meron kayo.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Kinakailangan po, yung talagang...
Actually, our list is included already in that list you have, sir.
I don't think so.
Consolidated.
No, hindi pa. I don't think so. Sapagkat ito hanggang June 30, 2022 to Ang kailangan namin ngayon, yung pong ganitong klaseng category, pero validated, kinasuhan, nakakulong, at awol. Yun po ang gusto namin malaman.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Tulad po nito, General Mata, ang sinabit po sa amin ni Colonel Espinido, recapitulation of PRRD's list. Meron po ba kayo nito?
Yes, sir.
Nakalagay po,
Yes.
elected public officials, validated, what's listed? 12. For validation, 1. Killed, 5. Ano itong DUI? Yung DUI. Under investigation, 1. Arrested, 2. Surrendered, 4. 12 cases at large, 1. May civilians, 132. Ang what was listed, PNP personnel, 52. Meron po ba kayo ng ganitong listahan?
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
Pwede bang pakisubmit nyo sa amin tulad ng
we
ginawa po ni Colonel Espinido?
Yes, sir. We will submit it.
Pwede rin po ba, Colonel Marcos? Meron po kayong listahan yan?
Wala po akong listahan, Mr. Chair.
Wala kayong listahan ganito.
Wala
Paano nyo masasabihin sa may listahan kayo?
Yung sinabi ko po kanina, yung tungkol po sa ginagawang validation ng PRO 8 na which I attend regularly. Dinidiscuss po yan ng committee kung sino po yung mga nakalista na drug lords.
May listahan kayo dun sa SOC Sergeant, di ba? Si IDG Chief kayo dun eh. Mr. Chair.
Sa ngayon po, Mr. Chair, ang CIDG do not maintain already a list of drug personality because
Why?
operation on illegal drugs is already not part of our mandate. Since
meron,
2000.
So meron ng isang ahensya sa PNP tulad ninyo na nag-ooperate sa drugs.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr.
DJ
Chairman.
Lasso. DJ Lasso, Mr. Chair.
Yes, I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman.
Pwede po ba nabigyan nyo kami landistahan din sa inyo na nabanggit ko?
Can I say something, Mr. Chairman?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Ito po yung problema natin sa sa droga. Kasi po, wala po tayong watch list. Wala, kanya-kanya po kami. Kaya yung format ninyo, iba dun sa format nila.
Eh bakit itong kay Colonel Speedo merong watchlisted?
Meron, Mr. Chairman, there is. Pero when I took over as PIDEA, I wanted to look at a national watch list wherein all
DJ
the
Lasso, mayroon pang sasabi, yan ang sinasabi namin dito na nakakawala ang ibang mga drug bust ninyo at nabalitaan pa namin na kung kayo, PNP, PIDEA, nakahuli ng 1,000 kilograms, ang nire-report lamang si media 200. Totoo ba yon?
it can happen, Your Honor.
Oh, it can happen. It can happen. It's not only it can happen, DJ Lasso. It is happening. It is
Yes, Your
happening. Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
at ibinebenta ng mga pulis natin ang mga nakuha nilang mga drugs. Na ang tanong ko ganito, kaya kinakailangan, DJ Lasso, meron po kayong listahan yan. What's listed for validation, arrested, surrendered, nawawala o kinakasuhan. You have to have a list of that para malaman po natin ito. Pwede po ba, DJ Lasso?
Your Honor, that is why I was calling the office. We have scheduled a national workshop involving all the agencies of government that have holdings on narcotics.
Involving all
All.
the agencies,
Yes.
law enforcement agencies.
Not only law enforcement.
Do you think the Philippine National Police will attend?
They are invited to attend.
They are invited.
In fact,
They should be directed to attend because you're the lead agency for drugs.
yes,
They should be directed to attend, Mr. Chair, because you are the lead agency on drugs.
Yes, they must
They
attend.
should not only be invited. General Mata, do you agree with that? General Mata, you should be directed to attend because they're the lead agency. Do you agree with that?
Yes, Your Honor. Sir.
Okay, therefore, the PIDEA will hold a, what do you call that?
It's a
A summit.
national drug summit, Mr.
And
Chairman.
therefore, if you are directed to attend, you're going to attend, Mr. Chair.
Yes, sir. We are always attending.
All right,
Whenever
so he
we
is
are so
promising.
invited, Your Honor.
Kailan po mangyayari yan?
September 23, 24, and 25.
Pag
Mr.
hindi
Chairman.
nangyari yan, pakisabi nyo sa amin.
Sir, they will be attending because we are following the PNP just conducted their regional summits all over the country.
Mr. Chair, the reason why, until now, can you imagine the war on drugs that the former president promised to solve in 6 months took him 6 years, and in the process killed more than 36,000 people. Now, we still have drugs today. Wala pang 1,000 napapatay. General Mata, am I right?
Yes.
Pero nakakahuli
Mr. Chair,
kayo.
Yes.
Now, bakit? Bakit? Palagay ko, ang karamihan dito, Mr. Chair, mga kapulisan to. Nahuhuli nyo, pero hindi lahat ng inyong nahuhuli ay talagang nasasakotin ninyo. Ibig sabihin, merong nakakawala diyang mga drugs, Mr. Chair. Kaya meron pa rin drugs eh. Kaya sinasabi ko, while Colonel Espinido here said, at sinabi po niya na siya humingi ng paumanhin na sinabi niya na ang Philippine National Police ay biggest criminal organization. Oo, nagpaumanhin siya. Hindi totoo. Sa akin, mukhang totoo. Until otherwise, DJ Lasso, General Mata, until otherwise, you truly address the drug problem in this country and stop it. Maniniwala po ako that the Philippine National Police holds the biggest drug syndicate in this country. Mr. Chair, Colonel Leonardo, sabi niya may listahan kayo ng mga drugs watch list, hindi ba? Kailan yon? Panahon nyo o ngayon?
Nung panahon po namin, Mr.
Therefore, nung panahon nyo, ano po yung, nung kayo station commander ba o no?
Meron po nung station commander ako, meron din po nung ako'y...
CIDG.
CIDG po.
Ayun, CIDG po kayo ng ano?
Sa Davao City, Combal, Del Sur.
So meron kayo listahan?
Meron naman po lahat, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Gusto na malaman dito kung sino yung current na kapalit ninyo sa CIDG. Mr. Chair, I would like to air a warning to each of you in the Philippine National Police. The moment nakaamoy kami na merong involved sa drugs, ang ilang mga police officers namin, papatawag po namin dito. Papatawag po namin dito. Papatawarin namin, pero ipoprosecute namin. Ayos ba yun? Nakalagay sa Bible yun.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi kayo maaari makatakas sa prosecution. Oo, pagpapatawad, okay. Pero I would like to air a warning, Mr. Chair. The moment na kami ay makaamoy na mayroong Philippine National Police personnel na involved dito sa drugs na ito, ipapatawag namin dito at isasama namin sa investigasyon, Mr. Chair. Lamang.
Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Congressman Bante. Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, so maraming pong salamat. Maganda naman po yung ating pinag-uusapan and I hope that the PNP organization, no? Kasi a while ago I was a bit confused about this list, no? Merong list si Esperido, may list sa PIDEA, wala silang list. So I was in a quandary dahil nga since na para bang magulo po yung listahan, so medyo confusing. And I think I must agree also with the Chairman Bante in so much as the real situation of our organization, yung ating pong mga kapulisan ay at stake in here. So they must be also truthful because there are these hypotheses that was mentioned by our chairman with regards to these drugs that are being apprehended by our PIDEA. And then suddenly mawawala and then we have to subject our PNP organization in a cleansing scheme that we are starting right now. I hope that there will be a reset, Mr. Chairman, because our country need badly the change that need to be done. And with that, Mr. Chairman, before I move for the suspension, Mr. Chairman, may we allow to invite the former mayor of Iloilo, Mayor Jed Mabilog, and at the same time, we invite also, a while ago, Chairman Abante moved to invite the chief CIDG, NCR. And I told him that the chief NCRPO was Nartates. I was wrong. So it is Colonel Noel Alino, no? Chief CIDG ng NCR. So we will be inviting him in the next hearing. And with that,
Mr. Chair, I also would like to invite sana the former General Peralta and the former General Medina to this hearing because I believe they have something to say.
Okay.
Former CIDG yun, Chairman Abante. I think.
Chairman, just for the information of the Honorable Committee, ang understanding ko po, ano man information, the new CIDG sa NCRPO has just
Francisco.
been assigned. No, so better we will also invite the previews. Previews kasi I think siguro mga 1 buwan o 2 buwan pa lang yung CIDG. Kaya kilala mo yun. Kilala mo yun. Di ba? Kilala mo yung CIDG ngayon na naka-assign sa NCRPO? Kilala mo?
Pakiulit po, Mr. Chair. Pasensya na po.
Hindi, kilala mo. Nagbubulungan nga kayo eh.
Opo. Hindi po, meron po kami.
Kilala mo si Bongalinyo?
Bongalinyo.
Yeah, Colonel Bongalinyo. He was just assigned as CIDG NCRPO. His name was mentioned to be invited, but okay, Mr. Chairman, Class 98 siya eh. Di ba? Class 98. You're not familiar?
Parang familiar po, Alinyo.
Familiar ka?
po.
Okay.
Marami
Anyway,
po
Mr.
kayo.
Chairman, while we will invite Colonel Alinio in the next hearing, we should also invite the previews. Kasi ang kailangan natin dito, yung nakaraan, kasi if my memory serves me right, siguro wala pang 2 buwan na naka-assign si Colonel Alinio sa CIDG NCRPO. And I do not know who is the previous CIDG. Colonel Marcos, do you know the CIDG NCRPO? Prior to the assignment of Colonel Alinio?
Si Colonel Ana po yung last na...
Sorry?
Colonel Ana po yung last na pagkaalam ko na CIDG NCR, kaya lang there were turnover 2 days ago
2 days ago lang.
o nagpalit-palitan po.
So, Colonel Ana was relieved sa NCRPO, pinalitan ni Bong Alinio.
Parang,
Tama.
Opo.
So, we'll invite Colonel Ana siguro on the next hearing, Mr. Chairman.